This is Josh. He's about to get tased.
Wait, I didn't do it.
Shut up.
No, no, no! Grab it, grab it, grab it! Oh no.
Yeah. Hey, throwing it up right quick. Yeah, you know me. It's AA running the Hertz. You got a bunch of travel shit my girlfriend went on before we met. That's what's up. Now we're together, I'm gonna take it out. And this shit, we just put shit in here to die. And then we come over here.
What?
Come over here, this is the bathroom. Check this out. This is where shit happens with a Vietnamese. You don't get to go in there. This is Nam's room. Hey, look at Nam. She's Asian, so she keeps her bed close to the floor so she can just roll out.
Yeah.
Come on in. Look at it. Yeah, throw him up. Blah, blah, blah. We got a ceiling fan. Keeps us cool at night. We got all that shit. Dresser for some shit. We got, it smells like cheese in most of those.
Cheese drawers?
That's that cheddar. Sometimes it smells like Gouda looking ass. This dog farts all the time. Alright. Yo, we got big ass window. Yo, when I open the window, check out the view. Dog already knows. He shits on that.
Whoa! Crazy freaking dog.
Yeah, don't be fucking with that dog. Don't be afraid either. He smells that shit.
You can't smell fear.
You smell fear, don't you? He'll bite my face. I don't know. Call me on. There she is again. Look at it. Hey. This is where all the cars be at. We got my girl's old.
One car.
This is where the studio is about to. Yeah, we got random shit that I can't even record with. Wires and shit. All sound booth. Yeah, or what I want to do is make this where I record the voices. So turn this into a vocal booth. Take all the Christmas decorations and shit out of here. Burn that shit because we don't need Christmas. This is where my hoe goes when she be acting up. I don't never put the dog in there.
You fucked up, dude.
Alright.
I hope she can hear your ass so she locks you in there.
Hey, more wood. More.
Yep, there's your dog. There's her shit. And there's shit all over the place. Yep. Okay, you can give it to me too.
Yeah, man. I love IPAs and Blood Gang. Look at this bullshit right here. This boy trying to park 2 different spots. How you gonna get inside there without a smart car? Damn.
They just chased this girl all the way. Holy shit! They took a chainsaw ass and she went all the way down here. Damn. Yo, here she is.
Yeah.
You all right?
Just great.
Damn. So what
Don't you
happened?
see
They
this
chased.
beauty mark?
He's drawing a sigil. Yeah, sigil. Oh, gotcha.